In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a dance video in Magnific AI Desktop. We'll walk through taking an existing dance clip and using it as a creative reference so Magnific can mirror its movement and energy in a new AI-generated video. First, head to the Magnific app. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and open Projects. This is your workspace where all media and creations are organized, making it easy to keep track of what you upload and generate. Inside Projects, switch to the Uploads section. This is where you'll add the dance clip you want to clone. Click the Upload button, then choose Upload Files. Select your dance video from your computer and confirm with Open. For best results, pick a clear, high-quality clip with consistent lighting and a clean background that makes it easier for the model to understand movement. When the upload finishes, click the video thumbnail to open it. In the preview, choose Use Video. Next, select Use as Reference. This tells Magnific to study the timing, rhythm, and choreography cues from your clip so it can carry those dynamics into a new render while allowing you to change the look and feel. You'll land in the AI video generator with your reference locked in. Type your prompt to describe the visual style you want. Be specific about the setting, the dancer's appearance, clothing, lighting, camera angle, and mood. For example, you might describe a cinematic studio look, soft spotlighting, and a slow dolly camera to elevate the choreography without introducing distractions. Set your duration to match your goals and choose the layout that fits your destination, like portrait for mobile or landscape for widescreen. Pick the sound option that complements the movement. You can mute if you prefer to add audio later, or let Magnific include background music that matches the vibe. When everything looks right, click Generate. Magnific will process your request and produce the new video using your reference dance clip as guidance. Once it's ready, review the result and note what worked. If you'd like a different style or feel, simply adjust your prompt, duration, or layout and generate again until it's just right.